In this video, I will teach you how to change from this to this, to this, to this, to this, to this, to this, and to this. Now the cheapest thing, which doesn't cost you any money, is to understand your camera. Do not shoot it in auto. The two things that you need to know about your camera is ISO and aperture. What is ISO? It doesn't matter. All you need to know, the lower the ISO, the less noise your video gonna have. No, not that type of noise. The pixelate noise in your video that I'm talking about. And for aperture, all you need to know is the lower the aperture, the blurrier the background gonna be. Currently, the ISO is at...
It's over 9,000! What, 9,000?
And the aperture right now is at 4.5. I'm gonna turn down the aperture and the ISO. I did not know if you can tell, but the video should have much less noise now. Now let's move on to the fun part, which is lighting. The most common lighting setup is a 3-point lighting setup. The first light is a key light, which plays around 45 degrees between you, the camera, and the light. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the key light so you guys can see what it looks like. Ah! It burned! I'm just kidding, I'm actually fine. All I need to do is turn down the ISO and it should look good. It should look much better. And for the key light, you want to have it upward, pointing down, so you can see the shadow cast down. You can see the jawline and the definition on your face. And you do not want the key light to be right directly in front of you, because the thing is, you would not show any structure in your face. And not only that, you would go blind. And also, you do not want the light to point from down to up, because then you would not have any jawline and it seemed like you're telling a ghost story. And as you can see, with just a key light, it improved the quality of the video drastically. And a lot of YouTubers just use the key light alone because they like that drastic, mysterious, cinematic look on the half side of the face. But for me, my channel is about finance, and this drastic, mysterious look make it seem like I'm hiding something. And I want to seem like I'm transparent as possible. That is when the fill light is coming in. Now for the fill light, I also place it around 45 degrees from me, camera, and the fill light. It's supposed to fill in the shadow that casts on my face right here. And now I look more transparent. Now the third light is the hair light. And yes, it's okay to wear short because most of the time you're not going to see in the video anyway. Now I just turned on the hair light. It's right there. But I do not know if you know the difference, because the hair light is supposed to be right opposite of your key light, so you do not have too much exposure on one side. Now the hair light is supposed to make you pop out from the background, which you do want that. But the thing, most people do not use the hair light because it gives you that stage look, and you do not want that stage look. You want to connect with your viewer. A better way to pop out from the background is actually either shine the light at the background or have some light in the background that will help you separate you and the background much better. I'm gonna turn on the background light right now. And I actually like that much better. It helps separate me from the background. You also can separate yourself from the background using either a candle or LED strip, which I'm gonna turn on right now. Now the LED strip does a great job and it's super cheap. It's only around like $15. Now for the lighting that I use, for the key light, this actually the first video I'm filming with this light is the Gold Docs that I got from Amazon. It's pretty good deal, $134, and it comes with the soft box and the light. And for the fill light, right now I'm using the ring light. It's pretty good as well if you cannot afford this. This is only around like $40 difference. And I also bought 2 LED panels right now. One of them is on the floor shining up to the shelf. The other one, I did not know what to use with it. Before, that was my fill light, and the ring light was my key light. Now for you guys who can upgrade any of this equipment, I have some suggestion that would make your video better. Now do not get offended, but some of the YouTuber friends that I see do not know how to position their camera pretty well. Now do not film with just your head only, because it seems like your whole body is stuck on your ground and just your head picking out. And also, do not leave too much space above your head, because it seems like you are so small and talking to like a child, you know? Please don't get offended. And do not have your camera way above the head where you have to look up, you know? So it seems like You are so short too. It makes the viewer seem like they looking down on you, and you do not want anyone to look down on you, right? A good position to shoot your video is to have 1/3 of your body so you can zoom in and out effect throughout your video. Another good position for the camera is you can do it downward to up, but I think you have to lean forward and make it seem like you are more connected to the viewer and that you are around the circle of fire and just share your idea with the friends. Now this is actually not even the final result yet. The final result come in post editing, and for my editing program I use Final Cut Pro. All I do is add some adjustment layer, tweak it a little bit with some color wheel, the exposure and every single thing, save the preset, and after that every single time I have a new video I just need to click and drag, put it on the video adjustment layer, and here you go, voila. So right now I'm just gonna film this and I will add on the adjustment layer from Final Cut Pro. Some part of it I will cut it off so you guys can see the difference. Now if you're interested in this adjustment layer, just let me know. Email me at easypeasyinvesting@gmail.com. I would email to you right away. There's no string attached or anything. It's not like I'm trying to get anything from it, but you guys should see the difference by now. But yes, that is it. That is basically every single thing that I learned from watching YouTube. Hopefully you guys can learn a thing or two from watching this video. Okay, for those who new to the channel, I do a free giveaway every single week. I give away 1 silver coin. But for this week, I will give away that LED strip right there. So to enter, all you need to do is hit the subscribe button, click the like button, and comment below. And I will announce the winner in the next video. Thank you guys for watching until then. Again, my name is Kyle, your average struggling YouTuber, signing off.